friends. Today we got the call from the farmers that four peacocks in the farms are in very bad conditions. Hopefully, they told that there is a possibility of poisoning because they spread the pesticides on the crops. So might be there is an inhalation of intake of these poisons, and all four peacocks are in lying conditions. When we reach to the forest department's garden where the all four peacocks are brought, but up to when we reach at that spot, the two peacocks are already died due to very severe symptoms. When we reach at the forest department, we saw that two birds are still alive but in very bad condition. They cannot fly, so there might be poisoning symptoms. Here we can see clearly that one male and females are in lateral recombination condition. They are not responding to external stimuli. So I check the heart rate. These are the bradycardia below. Might be possibility of inhalation of or intake of poisonous substance by these birds. When I examine properly, you can see here the tongue is very dry and eye is also in very dull condition. It indicates there is a dehydration. So they requires the fluid. So I tried for the fluid therapy. It is very difficult to get the vein from the ulnar side, from the wings of the birds, but God's help we get that, and here we can see clearly that blood comes out from these veins. It means the proper IV placed in the wing vein or ulnar vein. So we give the fluid, isotonic fluids to the birds, as well as the colloidal solutions like 6% starch, which requires, this is 6% starch, which requires them is minimum amount. So when we push these two fluids with the life-saving drugs, we get very good results. When IV is completed, we saw that the birds' recovery are very good. Now they responding to the external stimuli. So we are very happy that our treatment works properly. Both the birds, we have given the IV fluids with the life-saving drugs injections and pushed through the intravenous route. We are very happy to see that they are in very good condition, recovered slowly now, because these are our national birds, because they are very beautiful birds. Nature's great beauty is accumulated in these birds. So here we can see when we are giving the treatment, they are very quietly seated there because they cannot resist due to might be a poisoning. When I examine after the IV fluid therapy, the heartbeat gets slowly in normal position. So friends, our team and our all forest department peoples, as well as the farmers who call us, I will be very thankful to all those peoples So I can go there and treat birds and they're responding well. So I give suggestions to the forest department to keep these birds for 2 days in a natural environment and to get their feedback how is there. So friends, thank you for here. I have shared photographs with happy moment when treatment is in the